Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2018 Ford F-150 XLT in Shadow Black. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, electronic stability control, tow package, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, folding rear seats, 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6238A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.